Gotta go up here waiting for me.
Benito.
Yo, you took that whole hill?
Benito.
Huh?
With my legs broken.
For real?
Broken.
Gone? Going up the hill got you? Let's start heading back towards the car. We'll just hit everything up that way.
Let's go that way. Look, the building's right there.
We gotta go that way anyway. So that's what we're gonna hit up. The writings on the wall. Call that shit hood art.
That's pretty cool with the vending machine. That vending machine.
That's weird, right?
24-hour ice. So you can make that at home.
Oh, I should have took that.
Went from a dealer to running with killers. I get you hit for a couple of pillars. I went to war with a couple of killers. I'm in Atlanta.
You know what this is? This is the church where we gave away the food to people, remember? And I think over here is...
Let's go that way.
That takes us back downtown.
This is the loan place for school.
Yeah, this right here.
JR works.
Okay. So where you want to hit?
You could go up that way. That way and then left. Up to the light,
Okay.
second light left.
All right. That's gonna take us back downtown.
And then we'll make our way back.
Yeah, we gotta pick a different route though. Up left?
Kind of, that's what the
But
police
not
did.
lying this. A lion will protect yourself, but this not lying.
One more left.
That's the Capitol right there, right?
Yeah, you want to? Oh, we hit that up before. I don't think we can have that on here though.
Capitol.
Let's go. That's a few of them.
Huh. You going?
I held myself though. It sped up on me.
You lifted your hand got cut up.
Huh?
Look like your hand got cut up.
Like what?
It looked like your hand got cut up or something.
Nah. I should have slowed it down. Let's go this way.
Bro, don't brake.
I'm not. Huh?
Your pants are your whole boxers are showing.
For real?
Here, put these on. You want to put my shorts on?
Damn, here, hold this. All the way? Damn. Oh no. That sucks.
You want my shorts?
What you gonna wear?
I got,
All right.
they're long enough.
Look, we're gonna have to call it quits. Damn. I let go of my brake. I should never let go of my brake.
You had it at first.
I did have it because I had my brake on.
I didn't even notice till you.
Huh?
I didn't even notice till you went like that. I was like, dang. You can't see anything, right?
For you? Nah, you good. Oh, good thing Golo had two, sort of like two pants. He gotta wear the bicycle tights. But he looked out for me though, so my ass don't show. That's how I'm looking. Damn, I wish we had the other angle of the steps.
I know. I thought you were gonna wait for me to come down.
You know, this shit hit me in the back. You know what I mean? That's what kind of like made me do this and slide down. But I jumped off though. The pedals.